Gator Pit Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. This is Richard Robin. I'm going to do a real quick video of this today. I left all my real video equipment at my house. So right now I'm just doing an iPhone video just to get this out today with a little short video. So here we got a Triple Door Limo on our website at gatorpit.net. This is a 2-foot diameter by 8-foot long, 96-inch long, 3-door with 6 sliding meat racks that you see all hanging out in place right now. They're all angle framed and hanging in place. 3 doors, gauges on each one, Gator commercial gauges. We got the offset firebox. This particular customer opted and got the gas assist as well, which you can see the system back here. Regular hose, tank holders, control valves. We got dual dial style air intake vents. We got a heavy duty fire grate here. It's 1/4 inch thick, framed out in heavy duty angles, y'all. We got a top shelf here over the firebox. You use that heat off that firebox for whatever you want to use it for. Customer opted and got D-rings as well. We've got a stainless steel front shelf that's on here, which you can't, it's got the protective coating on it, but that's a 12-inch stainless steel top shelf. We've even got the Gator Pit utensil hangers right there, and we had the upgraded ball valve drain, and the shelf is a drop-down shelf. I've only got one of the T-mounts on it. That's all I need to hold up for the video, but there's the other 3, making it solid that you can even sit on that thing. You got the grill ability on it right here with the 1/4 inch thick fire grate and reinforced with 1/4 inch thick round bar. You can see there. Keeps it from sagging in the heat. And you got the flange doors. They opted got the birdhouse stack. You've got the Gator badging, fully flanged doors. I'll close these up. We got the tuning plates in there as well. But look at the door seams, how nice and clean these are. There's no gaps, no jagged cuts. They're perfectly smooth cut doors. Right there, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Interior flanges, top and bottom, stainless steel handles, fully welded door seams all the way around. I'll close this up. That way we get a real good view with the sun. There you go, man. Nice tight doors. There are no gaps in my Gator Pit doors. I'll walk you through it right here. Look at that. That is no gap, man. It is flush all the way down. There's no gaps in there. Not even at the very bottom right here. No gap right there, man. That is tough for a lot of builders to accomplish. It's a technique, 30 years of building these. Our heavy duty hinges. Again, your fully flanged doors for no leaky doors. Got some Pro ports added to it. That's an option you can get on here. There's your Gator commercial gauges. These are recalibratable. They are Gator Pit gauges. And they do have a recalibration screw in the back to recalibrate them if you think you knocked them out of whack. They do come from the manufacturer calibrated. Over here you got your 1/2 inch push-pull handle. Again, they often got that birdhouse stack, which is a pretty nice, cool feature. It comes normally with a flat top stack and a damper here to adjust it open, close, and anywhere in between. Your log rack and your legs are framed out in 2-inch angles, heavy angles. You got a mesh storage area down there that's 8 feet long, a lot of wood storage area down there. And your heavy duty casters, foot brakes on here. They often got foot brakes added to it. Those are greasable casters and greasable bearings, greasable wheel hub, axles. It does have the grease zerks top and bottom, and the brakes are adjustable. This is a very nice pit. It's going to a restaurant in Texas, up in North Texas. This is the Triple Door Limo on our website at gatorpit.net. And again, let's look at these beautiful doors. Nice and tight, man, nice and tight. I'll even get a back shot of it. There you go, man. Again, Gator Pit's known for no gap doors. Every one of our pits look just like this. It comes rolled out of shop. They're just like this. Whether it's one of our $2,000 pits or a $50,000 pit, you get that same quality no matter what. 1/4 inch thick pipe. That is new pipe, not used pipe. We buy brand new pipe, about 42-foot joints, and we cut the lengths off as we need to build what we're building. Again, quality, all new stuff, new materials. Get you back open again. You see another peek in here. How easy that is to open and close. Start sliding it out, man. Don't hang up. Don't go sideways on you. It's perfect fit and finish, man. Perfect fit and finish. Gator Pit of Texas. Custom Barbecue Pits. I'm Rich Robin. Give me a call. Let me know what we can do for you. Go to our website at gatorpit.net. All these models are listed on the website with options. They're all priced out with videos and photos of all of them. Pick one you like. Give me a call. I'm the one to handle sales. Rich Robin, owner, founder. I wear all the hats here, guys. See ya.